If you're thinking about buying a Bluehost VPS, there are some key things you need to know before making a decision. Compared to other hosting services like HostGator or SiteGround, Bluehost offers strong VPS options, but it's not the right fit for everyone. Let's dive into 12 crucial points to consider before you buy. The first thing to know is that Bluehost's VPS hosting gives you more power than shared hosting, but at a higher cost. It's perfect for websites with moderate traffic, or for those who need more control, but if you're just starting out, you might find it more than you need. Next, the resources are scalable, but it's not as flexible as some competitors. With Bluehost VPS, you start with 2 GB of RAM, but you can upgrade as needed. Other hosts, like DigitalOcean or A2 hosting, provide more flexible and instant scaling, but Bluehost's pricing is pretty competitive for what you get. The third thing is performance. Bluehost offers solid uptime and fast loading speeds, but keep in mind that these aren't always guaranteed at the highest levels, especially during traffic surges. While they've got a good reputation, some services like Hostinger are a bit more reliable when it comes to raw performance. Next, Bluehost's control panel is user-friendly. Their VPS uses cPanel, which is standard in the industry. If you've used cPanel before, you'll feel right at home. Some competitors offer custom dashboards, but the simplicity and ease of use of Bluehost's cPanel make it a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. The fifth thing to note is security. Bluehost VPS comes with free SSL certificates, SiteLock, and CodeGuard backups. While SiteLock is a great tool, some services like SiteGround offer better protection out of the box for certain high-risk sites. Next thing, Bluehost VPS gives you dedicated IP addresses. This is key for SEO and performance, especially for those running e-commerce stores or sensitive applications. But it's worth checking out other VPS providers like A2 Hosting, which offer more than one dedicated IP address in their plans. The seventh thing is pricing. Bluehost VPS plans are more affordable than many of its competitors at the base level, but the higher-end options can get pricey when you upgrade your RAM or storage. If you're looking for a budget-friendly VPS with scalable options, Bluehost is a solid choice, but be sure to compare pricing with hosts like InMotion Hosting. Next, support. Bluehost offers 24/7 support through phone, live chat, and email. Their customer service is generally reliable, but sometimes wait times can be long, especially during peak hours. Competitors like SiteGround tend to offer quicker response times, but Bluehost's support is still strong enough for most users. The ninth thing is that Bluehost offers both managed and unmanaged VPS options. If you don't want to manage your server yourself, their managed VPS plans are a great choice, but you'll pay more for this service. On the other hand, if you have the technical know-how and want to save money, you can go with the unmanaged option. The 10th thing is the fact that Bluehost includes free domain registration with most of their plans, which is a nice bonus for newcomers. Some of the competition, like HostGator, charge extra for this feature, so it's something to consider if you're just starting your website. Next thing is server locations. Bluehost has data centers in the US and some other regions, but for a truly global presence, you might want to look at other VPS hosts that offer more locations, like A2 Hosting or Kinsta, to serve international visitors better. The 12th and final thing is the long-term value. While Bluehost VPS is a great entry point for websites looking to grow, it might not be the best option once you scale up. If you need truly high-performance VPS hosting as you expand, you might want to consider alternatives like DigitalOcean or Liquid Web. So, is Bluehost VPS a good choice? It's a solid option for small to medium-sized businesses or personal projects, offering competitive pricing, ease of use, and decent support. But if you're looking for something more robust or scalable in the long run, we recommend checking out our top pick for VPS hosting. You can even try it for free to see if it meets your needs.